What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to the Crypto Novice, and we have an awesome Bitcoin video for you guys here today. However, before we get into the video, I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. Make sure you do your own due diligence and research, and please don't invest more than you can afford or are willing to lose. So what are we talking about here today on the Crypto Novice? We're on ambcrypto.com. Once again, one of the greatest sources for crypto news, by the way. Check it out. Why Bitcoin has remained the most preferred digital asset. Bitcoin has logged 1 month of inflows to seal its spot as the most preferred investment for many. BTC's inflows year to date have exceeded $500 million. Leading alt Ethereum saw outflows despite the surge in the value of the coin. Now, inflows from digital asset investment products have totaled $137 million in the last week, bringing the fourth consecutive week of inflows to $742 million, CoinShares found in a new report. According to the digital assets investment firm, the total inflows recorded in the last month have represented the largest run of inflows since the final quarter of 2021. By the way, if you're new to the Crypto Novice, hit the subscribe button down below, turn on that bell for all notifications. Let us know if there's anything you want us to cover in the world of altcoins, meme coins, cryptocurrency, or blockchain news. We'd appreciate it. Despite the year average trading volume for investment products being around $1.4 billion, CoinShares noted that last week's trading volumes for these products surged to a total of $2.3 billion, surpassing the average by a considerable margin. The volumes are currently making up a far greater proportion of total crypto volumes, comprising 11% last week, compared to the 2% average. Investor sentiments have favored Bitcoin. Now, why is this? Well, for the fourth consecutive week, investors maintained focus on Bitcoin as the King coin logged inflows that totaled $140 million last week. This accounted for 99% of the total inflows recorded during that period, while BTC's price trended downwards after trading briefly at a 2-month high of $31,693 on the 13th of July. The King coin saw its inflows grow by 5% during that period. Now, this additional $140 million in inflows brought the leading coin's YTD net worth inflows to $571 million. That's insane. With its assets under management, AUM, valued at $25 billion. This represented the third week of BTC logging a net flow year to date, having been in a net outflow position of $171 million a month ago. On the other hand, short Bitcoin investment products saw an outflow of $3.2 million last week, representing 12 weeks of consecutive outflows according to CoinShares. A combination of recent price appreciation and outflows have seen a short Bitcoin total assets under management fall from their April $198 million peak to $55 million US. However, despite the continued bearishness for short Bitcoin, it remained the second best performing asset in terms of inflows year to date at $55 million, albeit a steady decline data from the report showed. You can check that out right here. Ethereum does lead from the back with an outflow of $2 million logged during the period under review. Leading altcoin Ethereum has emerged as the asset with the most outflows year to date. You can see that on this chart here as well. Now, while the alt prices saw growth in the last week, the price growth failed to translate into any inflows for Ethereum, CoinShares found. As for other altcoins, Solana, Polygon, and Litecoin saw minor inflows between 0.5 million US and 3 million respectively. That's going to do it for this edition of the Crypto Novice. Please like, comment, subscribe, share the video. We talked about Bitcoin remaining the most preferred digital asset. If there's anything you want us to cover, drop it in the comments. We will gladly do it, and we'll see you in the next video.